and welcome. My name is Stefanie Linhardt, Europe Editor of The Banker, and I'm here with Leonie Schreve, Global Head of Sustainable Finance at ING Bank and member of the board of the Banking Commission at the United Nations Environment Programme Finance Initiative. So, Leonie, as member of the UNEPFI, you are trying to promote sustainable lending as a concept between banks. Now, tell me, in the last few years, how has the perception and the actual action changed amongst the banks?
Well, a lot of banks started with risk management approach, so environmental and social risk management. And we decided 3 years ago at ING to turn it around, to still have environmental and social risk management, but to also look at how can we support the leaders in sustainability more and really go into sustainable new solutions, new technologies, newer projects that really contribute to a changing world.
Mm-hmm.
In that sense, the United Nations also recognized ING and asked me to take place in the board as focal point to drive the positive impact working group, as it is called.
Mm-hmm.
And in that sense, we try to inspire banks globally to also take on a more positive approach to really contribute to companies that are proactively supporting sustainability and that we make the transition towards an economy of tomorrow.
And where would you say that is still work to be done, maybe geographies?
Well, globally, I guess, and it is also important that obstacles that are sometimes in place to support newer technologies, for example, if there's no proven track record yet, or if investments are too long-term for commercial banks to step into, that we really partner and have a dialogue with our clients, but also with other financial institutions like multilaterals, etc., to come up with solutions that can really break through and accelerate growth in sustainable areas.
Mm-hmm. Well, maybe let's talk a bit about ING Bank, because obviously you've mentioned it already as well. You have increased the sustainable lending from the end of last year, 2014, in the first half of 2015 by 7%. Now, give us a bit of insight of what actually happened there.
Well, the growth is in line with our targets and really to move and shift our portfolio towards sustainable companies. Mm-hmm. So the number of 21 billion consists of, amongst others, outperforming environmental companies, so mm-hmm. companies that are more proactive in the area of sustainability with regard to their global policies and approach, and also specific projects, asset-related transactions, which go beyond only the obvious area of renewable energy, but also include waste management, energy efficiency, water.
Mm. Give us a project that you're especially excited about.
Well, there's one project that we did last quarter, which is the Semangka project in Indonesia, mm-hmm. hydroelectric project, which really generates a lot of renewable energy for Indonesia, which contributes significantly to indeed their carbon reduction targets and supporting a sustainable economy there as well.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you've picked up on something that I was going to pick up on. How do you actually quantify the success of a project? Is there any way of saying it changes climate change in a specific way?
Well, that is indeed a development that we see across banks and also across our clients, that impact indicators are a topic that is coming more and more prominent. We are working on that. We aim to have at least end of year indicators formulated to make sure that indeed the projects we finance, we can really translate into easy, understandable impact measurements. That is something which is quite complicated, and we really need to take time to develop a thorough method to come to those impact indicators. But that's definitely something that we aim for.
Perfect. Well, Leonie Schreve, thank you very much.
Thank you.